Hello everyone, how are you guys doing? It's the Machine family again. Join me for dinner. Join me for dinner, guys. So I'm eating chicken wings, cucumber and also white rice. Yes, and I have one piece of meat there as well. Yeah, that's what I'm eating for dinner. So join me for dinner, guys. Be sure to subscribe, like this video, and let's get this video to 10,000 views. Remember to subscribe and let's get this video to 10,000 subscribers. Let's go, guys. Yes, if you want to see more food, let's get to 10K subscribers. I love you guys.